Hello everybody, it is Sahir and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have not done a Dallas vlog in so long. Okay, so this is what my entire laundry looks like before. Empty bucket, and in 3, 2, 1. It's all done. It looks super messy, but underneath all of this is clean clothes. Hello. It is currently almost 3 o'clock, and I want a shake, so let me clean my camera. What's it called? Ice tray, so I can't make ice. But I mean, I guess we'll just do with what we have. So I'm gonna take 1 spoon of almond butter, and my hands are clean. Just saying. This much Nutella. Then I'm just going to throw in a banana. And then, so I have the organic market size spring mix, and I'm just going to pull out some spinach. Just throw that in there. I love spinach. And then I'm going to take some oat milk. That was way more than I was expecting. But yeah, now we're going to blend this up, and then based on the consistency, we'll add more or less of some other stuff. So all I did was put okay, this is so good. I just wish it was cold. This is great. Hey y'all, good morning. It is actually 12 p.m. So it is the next day. I need to clean a lot today. Today, my main goal is to clean. I have clothes I need to put away. The clothes that I folded yesterday, I want to put those away today. I want to clean all of this here. I want to clean my room. And yeah, let's get straight on into it. Oh my god, look at my closet. Super aesthetic. I do need to clean a little bit more, like, there. Okay, business item number 2, the game room area. Since I got back, I just left everything here, like, you know, everything. So I should probably clean that up. So I've been going to swimming classes the last few days, and I have 3 swimsuits and 1 swim shirt, and I threw them in the wash almost 30 minutes ago. So I'm checking if they're done. Yes, my room almost never has white lights, but that is okay. I kind of feel like I'm gonna be productive today and work out. I have not done this in so long. My legs hurt, and it's only been 15 minutes, and I have to go swimming today. Can't wait. But I need to get rid of this somehow. Usually I would have done more, but today I do not have energy, and I have to go swimming, so I only did 2 or 20 minutes. Yeah. So now I'm gonna chill, maybe make a shake or something. It is the next morning. Great weather today. Hold on, let me turn on the lights. But yeah, great weather today. It's like just finished raining, so I love it. even though I can't go outside. But yeah. Oh, I should turn off my lights. Have I vlogged it all today? No. Is that because I did absolutely nothing all day? Yes. Now I'm gonna do some of my SAT work.